Hey Shally Nations, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can make a whopping sum of $5,000 and even more by just editing videos online. And the way you're going to make this money online is by just editing videos on CapCut wherever you are, whenever you want to, irrespective of your location, and whenever you get freelancing gigs. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can use CapCut online that makes video editing very simple to use so that you can become a professional video editor. You don't need to go through classes, you don't need to attend courses, you don't need to take courses to become a professional video editor. All you need is your smartphone or your laptop and your very good internet connection to do this wherever you are, and then make money by just editing other people's videos as a freelancer. With the CapCut online video editor, making YouTube videos like this one will be a very simple task. I've tried various video editing apps and websites, but for simplicity, straightforwardness, and quality execution, CapCut online stands out and is the best for a beginner, for a pro, for a novice, amateur, whatever it is. CapCut will make it very simple for you to use and for you to understand. Their magic tool suite combined with AI powered capabilities that lets you produce spectacular videos, eliminating the need for expert video editing skills. And by the way, a standout feature in the magic tool is what I call the script to video feature, and is one of the features that I love most. It allows you to provide a very simple prompt or command to CapCut, and the tool comes out with a full script for you. For many people like me, the most exhausting aspect of video creation is trying to get a script, trying to get creative, because sometimes you don't even have any creativity at all. But with scripted videos, all you need are a few inputs with CapCut, and then they will provide you with the comprehensive script as an initial draft. You can now personalize it and then refine it to the script of your own taste. Moreover, you can transform the script into a full video, and that one is also completely free, and then it's ready for you to export. You can then fine-tune your video further with the CapCut editor. So let's quickly go over to how to use the script for video feature on CapCut online. Here on the CapCut website, this is the AI script video maker. So let's just click on try for free. It should take a few seconds to load, but after that, all you need to do is paste your video script in here. I already have my script ready, so I'll just paste it and click on generate video, and it's literally that simple. For video settings, I'll go with smart generations and 16:9 for the aspect ratio, since we're working on a short form video. And then you can also choose a voice for yourself for your voiceover, because it literally creates the entire video for you. For me, I personally go with the basic American female. So I'll then click again on generate voice, and now it's going to take about a minute to generate your video, depending on how fast your internet connection is. So here is a video generator for me, and you can either click on edit video to continue refining it, or you can just simply export it and do whatever you want with it. CapCut Online's AI assisted tool truly simplifies the process of creating viral YouTube shorts, TikToks, Instagram Reels, or any video for any other platform. This platform can also offer you very large library of stock footage and templates, obviously, as well as cutting-edge AI tools. And by the way, CapCut Online is a free online video editor. Is without, you don't even need to it's not a must to download the app before you can use it. So sometimes I use the website, and most other times I use the app, and it's very simple. It's easy to use both for video and graphics content creation in bulk within a very short period of time. And of course, it has no watermarks. And as well, I won't forget, I will link CapCut website in the description box below so that you can find it with ease. So the idea here is to make money online by either on Upwork or Fiverr by using CapCut Online to produce and edit these videos. So it's easy and very super simple to edit and make viral short form content for us creators. It's very easy. You can add your text overlays and animations, which are key points in making an engaging video. So here's some of their most useful features and graphic design tools. These are free AI tools that can make your editing easier. They offer things like auto cuts to remove background, to video stabilization, and other ones. And it even offers script to video, just like I mentioned earlier. They've also got your auto captions, text to speech, and whatever video and text templates you want. But anyways, there are 3 unique methods to earn money using the CapCut online video editor. The first method revolves around video auto captioning. It's incredibly straightforward because CapCut Online offers an automatic captioning feature. All you have to do is activate it and it generates the caption. So let me show you how to do this. All you need to do is come to this page that says add subtitle to videos for free, and then click on edit online. Right after you do that, you just upload your video to CapCut and then go over to the caption button in the left menu over here, and then click on auto captions and pick the language that you are speaking in the video. And after you click on generate, it shouldn't take too long before it's done. And as you can see, the captions have been automatically added to my video. And you can even play around with the fonts, resize them, and make them the way you want. You just need to spend around 10 to 15 minutes thereabout, ensuring that the spelling is accurate. All right, so you can do this, and there are several platforms as well that are looking for transcribers, people that can transcribe, add subtitles to videos. And if you've seen, there are some videos, if you watch some videos, there are some videos that don't have subtitles. You can offer to help convert these videos without subtitles to subtitles on CapCut, and you get paid for this. And there are some of my YouTube videos that I've mentioned some of these platforms that will pay you good, up to $18 to $21 per hour, by just converting and transcribing videos without subtitles to subtitles. In addition, there are several platforms like Fiverr, which is a very popular freelance marketplace that has lots of clients looking for captioning services, people that can transcribe and put subtitles in a video. And there is a guy charging like $20 to just caption a video that lasts for just 5 minutes with almost 2,000 reviews. He has definitely been making a lot of money from this, and you could do this effortlessly and accomplish this and earn your $20 in just 15 minutes. Now, the second approach I know, but before we go over to the second approach, hello guys, if this video has been helpful to you up to this extent, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube algorithm can take this video to a larger audience. Now the second approach, which might have been somewhat anticipated, is to work as a video editor by listing your services on Fiverr, Sprout Gig, Upwork, and other freelancing platforms. You can offer to edit video content or corporate clips or even wedding films. The money you will make will depend on what type of editing you can offer, ranging from around $40 an hour to a one-time whooping sum of $1,500 for a full commercial value. While it's unlikely you will start at the top tier, you could begin by editing YouTube videos for around $40 to $100 or even more. But as you gain more experience and over the years, you can adjust your rates accordingly. Now, for those familiar with video editing, it's a very good one for you. But for those who are not familiar with video editing, there are several YouTube videos and CapCut tutorials available on YouTube that you can access free of charge. As you all know, YouTube is an open university where you get to learn several things you want to learn and get to gain so much knowledge in a particular field of life, and you can absorb these CapCut editing guides for free. Now, once you've improved your editing skills, you can then start promoting your services on platforms like Fiverr, Sprout Gig, Upwork, Medium, and others. So descriptive video features on CapCut can also greatly help you in this area because first of all, it's free, it has no watermark, and it's literally AI script and video generation within a few clicks. Now, as for the script to video feature, I believe it's only available in several regions. However, I'm sure they are going to open this amazing feature to all users because it's just super helpful. Now, the third money making idea that can help you earn a whopping sum of $5,000 and more, depending on how seriously you take this. Like, the way and manner in which you take this seriously is the way you can make your dollars and your bucks. All right, so the more seriously you take it, the more money you earn. Now, the third money making idea is becoming a content repurposer. So wait, let me explain it. All right, now imagine someone has a long video and they want to shorten it to a shorter version so that they can post it in as reels, as shorts on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube short, and what have you, and they want to put it also on TikTok and other social media platforms. All you do is take that video that they want to shorten, use CapCut Online, take it to CapCut, change its formats, adjust the size, and add captions, and that's it. For example, on Upwork, another website where people look for freelancers, there is a job posting right now where someone wants a short video made from their longer clips like podcasts, like business meetings, conference meetings, and others. They want the square video format, which is very easy to do in CapCut Online. So with a single click, all you need to do is just literally go to the resize tool and click on the aspect ratio you want. So we can now change it to 9:16 instead of the 16:9, and it's super easy and fast, and they'll probably even give you music and clips to include. And for most of the videos that you shorten, you can get paid $100 to $500. And so think about it, earn $100 for just one video you shorten that you can spread to other social media platforms. I mean, it's like you're killing two birds with one stone. So this is something you can quickly do on CapCut for free, although it might take you a few minutes to put everything together with platforms like but with platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Sprout Gig, and others, and other free learning resources like YouTube tutorials, there's a big chance for you to start earning and making money online. So make sure you check out CapCut Online, sign up for free with the link in the description box below, and if you have any question, don't hold yourself back. Okay, if you have any question, feel free to leave the questions in the comment sections below. I'm going to answer, and until my next video, see you in my next video, and until my next video, work good. See you in my next video. Bye.